Well, guys, here we go. It's October 4th, and haven't started that Fox Buddy that I bought 3 years ago for 500 bucks. Probably in 6 months. So, yeah, we're gonna go get it. Hopefully, we can start it and put it on a trailer because I can't get anybody to help me today to tow it over here. So hopefully it'll drive on the trailer, and then get to working on it. Try to get it ready for October 27th. So we got 12 days. Kind of got talked to John. Hopefully get him to tune the junk before the race or the day of the race, and then run in the NA class so that I'm putting on. So yes, sir, we got a bunch of parts ordered. I did work on my motor. I've had that 6.2 that I pulled out of the Teal truck probably 4 years ago. So hopefully the bearings and everything's good on that, because I only put like 500 miles on that motor, and then I pulled it out and put another 6.2 on there that was built. But anyways, I think we got everything we need to get that Fox Body. Finally bought our first, or the first new part we'll put on the Fox Body, Optima battery. And then hopefully drive it on a trailer and bring her home. Well, we got the Denali here at the lot. We'll show you what we're dealing with. We got a bunch of junk out here, as you can see. But yeah, there she is. We'll see if we can get this thing to maybe run a little bit today. Well, battery installed. I know it doesn't have water in it, but yeah, I guess we'll see what it'll do. This thing is nasty inside. I think we got like a bunch of mice living in here, maybe. I don't know, I hope not. It sure smells like it. Well, oh dang. See what we can do here. Well, I hope I got the right keys. There we go. Ooh, windshield wipers works. Oh, yes, sir. Now, do we have transmission fluid? Oh, we do have transmission fluid. Nice. We should go make a pull with this thing. No, I don't have time for that. My luck, I'll crash it. Ooh, yeah, that's slipping bad. Definitely not making a pull with that. Oh, she's smoking. Sounds like it's cammed. There was a mouse. Oh, damn. Do I even want to take this thing home? I'm going to have mice in my shop. Oh, man. This thing takes gears. We're going to go and do a burnout. Well, we can't do a burnout on the dirt, but we can possibly do a donut. it started right up, no problem. So that's good. And we got to do a donut with it for the first time. That was great. But yeah, got her on the trailer. Gonna go take her to the shop and then go from there. Oh, that reminds me, there was a tarp in the back. Well, here we are. We got the hood off already. Got the fan off, but I guarantee you I got a Briggs & Stratton motor on an air compressor that makes more power than that thing does. And that's what we'll put in there. Turbo the Cat is not helping. But yeah, we're on our way. We got the rear end over there. We got a whole bunch of parts stringed out all over this shop, but see what we can get done tonight. Well guys, here we are. It's about 7 hours later. Got everything tore out in the engine bay. Little 2.3 liters right there. We'll replace it with that 6.2. I wasn't gonna tear out the gas tank, but man, there's just no room under there to work, so tore out the gas tank, everything out here. Gonna worry about that tomorrow, cleaning that up. But anyways, we got our mount here for our Optima battery, and I think that's as far as I'm gonna go today. I'm gonna call it a day. Tomorrow, go help my buddy a little bit on his S10, see if he can get it going. And yeah, just realized I'm gonna need a windshield for this thing. But at Ingalls, they're not too picky, so maybe I can get by with that. I guess I don't have everything tore out. Need to tear that out all the way yet. But other than that, we got it tore apart as far as we want to. Go back together, see if we can make a run and by the 27th.